Okay. Today, guys, we're going to be reviewing for your inequalities test, graphing inequalities. So we're going to play a game. Levi, you want to start and do the rules?
The rules are you can only risk the amount of points you have. You cannot risk over. And since we're starting off with 100 points, you can only risk at least 100. You have to risk. And if you run out of points, you got to do something crazy to earn points back. And you must make a risk before you start doing the problem. And that's about all.
Any questions before we start? Okay. You saw the chart you need to use. Okay? So once I show you the problem, you can make your risk. Okay? But you can't change your amount after you see your answer. Everybody ready? Mm-hmm. Okay, there's problem number 1. You can risk anywhere from 1 to 100. Okay, you've got an answer. Everybody ready?
No, I'm not ready.
He's not.
Okay, you got about 5 seconds.
1.
5,
okay.
4, 3. Okay. You ready? Here we go.
Yes!
Okay, so if you put A, you have it right, add your points. Your risk, what you're willing to risk.
Hold on, I thought you were supposed to wait until after we make a race before you show it. Because then I can know what to choose.
2 ways you can solve this one. What form do you normally see it in? This is standard.
Y-intercept.
You could get it to y-intercept form. What's the other thing you could do?
You can do a cover-up method.
You could do the cover-up method. That is correct. Remember, if you did not shade,
I was supposed to start at 2.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
What was that?
you had to make sure your y-intercept was at 2. Your slope, you went up 2 and over 3. And then it was greater than, so you shade above.
I've got 800 points.
Here's problem 3. This one you have to graph.
Oh.
Left face.
Oh.
Remember, listen for the command face. About face.
I forgot how to do it. I thought that would go that way.
Right face. One more. About face.
Yay, we finally got it. Now, I want us to look back, since we've been studying equations. Let's take Cameron's for example. On the first problem, he risked 100, and he got it right. So he had a total of
200.
Then he risked 200,
You got 400.
and he got it right. And then he risked 400.
You got 800.
Okay. What kind of equation is this?
Linear.
Because it's
No, it's exponential.
No, it's exponential. Exponential because it's going up
Because you
at
skipped
the
from
same.
200 to 400.
Because it skipped from 200, yeah, to 400.
What is it doing every time?
It's
So
doubling.
it's
doubling.
doubling.
It is doubling.
So it's the same.
Okay, so now if we had to take this, we know that it's doubling. It went up 200, then it went up 400, so we could say it's multiplying times 2, right?
Yeah.
So now, if we go to the exponential form,
My hands are cold.
+1. This is your x-axis. And this is your y-axis going this way. So what? +4. So you go over 1. So you start from where she was, right? So you go over 1 to right here. Because y'all really want the same spot. And then up 4. 1. So that will be our new point. It's negative. Negative is this way and this way. So your x is negative. Which line is your x? This way or this way?
This way.
This way is your x. So your x is -3. -3. You're moving over -3 from where you were. It's -3 from wherever you were. And your y is +2. So x minus 6. Y minus 3.
Okay, so go -2.
Y minus 3. Minus 3. Plus.
No, this
It's
way.
like looking at the
This I am not a
Whenever y'all are ready.
right 2, up 1. Back 2 over 1. Up 3 over 4.
I'll stand at different points. Alright, now I want you to translate up 3 and to the right 2.
I want everybody to reflect across the x-axis from where you're at.
I'm already reflecting.
No, you're not. Everyone to reflect.
You going that side?
The x-axis is right here where me and Mrs. H are. This is the x-axis. What is a reflection? A reflection is the opposite way. It's like looking in a mirror. You do know. Oh, hey. Let it slide.
Alright. Now ready? Started from the origin, go up 3 times, then you move to the right, only do it 1 time, then we put it across the Y. Bring it back 2 times, then we put it across the X, then I see what's next.
What's next? What's next?
There is nothing next. We done came up with these as who would be we the Math-SIOP.
Derek, tell me one thing you learned today. Tell me one thing you learned today.
That's it, what
How
we
to
learned today.
reflect on a grade.
What we learned today is we learned how to do transformations and stuff. That's all I gotta say.